In today's review, we'll look at Crust Network, which is a storage solution on your favorite ecosystem. That's right, Kusama. Crust is not just a storage solution, but a Web3 decentralized storage network for the metaverse, especially as metaverses will require storage. They can simply work with Crust Network to obtain it. I have done a review of Crust Network in the past, but back then things were at the start and Crust has come a long way since. So we'll get into the details in a bit, but for transparency, as always, this is a sponsored video and I'd like to thank the team at Crust for supporting this channel. Also, anything I discuss in this video is for educational and exposure purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Please always do your own detailed research if you want to find out more. But to get back to Crust, it also supports what is known as IPFS, which is a multiple storage layer protocol that exposes instant accessible on-chain storage functions to users. In short, it offers decentralization and privacy, safety and efficiency, and availability and assurance. Crust Network also has a number of features to offer. They've got the decentralized storage market, the Crust files, which we'll look at in more detail later in the video, and also SwitchSwap, which allows you to mint, display, and trade your NFTs on a decentralized platform powered by Crust. Crust is built on top of the Substrate framework and was a Parathread before they won a Parachain auction on Kusama to become a Parachain. Crust provides a native cross-chain palette based on XCMP called X Storage. Now, what are the benefits of storing and hosting a dApp on IPFS? Well, it grants you a serverless hosting, potential resilience to DNS hijacks, high uptime, and improved accessibility. Some of the products that are hosted by Crust Network are IPFS Docs, Liquidity, which is a decentralized borrowing platform, Uniswap, the famous Ethereum DEX, and also Aave, the DeFi platform. They're also offering NFT metadata storage and encrypted IPFS storage, and those details can be found on their website, which can be found in the description of this video. For the roadmap, they've achieved a number of steps over the years, but for Q2 of this year, they're looking to implement cross-chain storage interfaces, which is the Web 3.0 IPFS gateway and pinning service, as well as upgrade Polkadot's Parachain related modules to support a unique STF. Crust Network have received the Web3 Foundation grant. They're backed by NGC Ventures and a number of other VC firms. One of the most important products that they have to offer is Crust Files, whose link can be found in the description of this video, and it allows you to upload and store your files to IPFS via Crust's storage network. There are three different types of storage solutions within Crust Files. The public one, where everyone can see them if you wish to share the non-sensitive files, the ones that are obviously public. Then the Vault, which is 100% private and is used for personal use, and every single file gets encrypted by a locally stored encryption key. And then there's the Secure Share one, which is similar to the Vault one, except you can share these files with whoever you want by sharing the link with them, which is great for sharing private or sensitive files with the desired people. You can connect to Crust Files using MetaMask on Moonriver Network and many other ways, including Polkadot.js, and you can see this when you attempt to connect to it, and the drop down shows you the various options that you've got available. If you decide to get the premium version, you can also earn 50,000 US dollars in rewards, as they've got a rewards program running. You get one CRU token for each user who deposits for the premium account, and your friend gets one CRU discount on the premium service. Do check out their detailed rules for more info. Crust Network also offers two different programs, the premium user and the trial user one. Now, the premium user one offers end-to-end file encryption, a maximum upload size of 1 gig. You can renew on-chain storage orders and place permanent storage orders as well. You can have access to more space than on the trial user version, and you can claim rewards from the Share and Earn promotion, as well as priority access to future airdrops and other exclusive benefits for premium users. Now, the trial version unfortunately doesn't offer end-to-end encryption, as it's meant for testing and trialing, but not to take advantage of every feature available. Okay, so that's the reason why we've got this trial version, just so you can basically test that out, right? Now, you're also limited to 40 megabytes upload, and the storage order expires after 6 months. You also get limited space and you can't claim rewards from the Share and Earn feature, so that's important to know in case you were expecting that. Now, you also get limited access to airdrops, which means you may or may not get them. If so, perhaps not paid the same way as the premium members, but I'm not sure about that. You should always check with the team just to be sure. Now, to take a look at CoinMarketCap, the price of the CRU token, which is the ticker symbol, by the way, for Crust Network, is currently trading at $9.75 cents, and the market cap is just under 13 million US dollars. It's trading on decent exchanges such as Huobi Global, Gate, Uniswap, the Ethereum DEX, Bbox, and more. And you can find a full list if you search for Crust Network on CoinMarketCap. Now, the max supply is 20 million and the circulating supply is roughly around 3 million CRU tokens at the moment. Now, as I was saying earlier in the video, they also won one of the Parachain auctions on Kusama recently and have become a Parachain. And we can see here in the Polkadot web wallet, and they should be going through the Parachain launch phases and will likely be distributing the rewards in a month or two, as we've seen other Parachains do, but you should always follow them on Twitter or Telegram to stay up to date with that information. Now, their Twitter handle is @Crust Network and can be found in the description of this video, together with a link to their main website, Crust Files, as well as their Telegram channel. Overall, I have to say Crust have a good chance at doing well, especially as they're collaborating closely with other teams in the Polka ecosystem and are the main decentralized storage solution in this ecosystem. They have been developing for longer, even if there may be some new ones out there. And remember what I was telling you before, if you're a Parachain on Kusama or Polkadot, you're serious about development and are not wasting everyone's time. And thus Crust have just proved that by sticking with Polkadot and Kusama for so long. Let me know, what do you think of Crust in the comments below? Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.